So I wanted to talk about a little bit about this invention stuff about future shit. Now, I think I think that fuck, I think a lot. But I think that well, I was getting these thoughts in my mind. And if you will shut the fuck up, I'll be able to think straight, right? So you can think whatever the fuck you want to think, and please just allow me to think whatever the fuck I want to think. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to continue my session here. Now, I was seeing these images in my mind, and I seen like this video game concept of um, people on different teams in different colors. So I seen this internet stuff with the facial recognition and the data that's collected by each individual, and that data is therefore sent to the military and officers that are required to have this information in their visual, like they have with the glasses with the little screen. um, Kind of like the new movies that just came out, even Arnold Schwarzenegger with like the robot type of thing where it's able to see the data about a certain person. Now, how this will work is that the computer will be able to determine who's who, and it will be able to determine if they're on the military side or not. So, for example, it say there's a crowd of people and people are shooting everywhere. How do people know who's the enemy and who's not the enemy, or what's even going on? They're confused for that moment. Unless there is some form of meeting, some form of communication. So with this technology, it'll be able, the people, the military that are in control will be able to assist and I believe assess to the situation that's there, that presented itself anywhere in the world. And so therefore, whoever has this technology will be able to know who's friendly, like friendly fire, so and stuff like that, so that they could look into all that stuff without even understanding the full spectrum of the situation or what's going on, because the internet is going to help and aid us much faster. And if anything is plotting something, the internet is going to be able to infiltrate anything that tries to devise itself against our nation and the world. So I was seeing these images in my mind, and that's the only way that I was able to pretty much explain it. And I know it's not a video game, and I know it's not something that sh- that people should like take lightly. It's very important, and I believe that there could be bugs in the future that can like people that want to do harm to others, they can try to overwrite certain content in the internet to try to make someone appear like they're the enemy, although they're not. So if that's the case, we would need to figure out a solution to prevent that. Like the else if concepts and logic, and everything is coordinated by everyone's activities, by everyone's communication, by even by the images and photos that are taken